Hi.
Hi. Iya, ini kakak terus. Nyawa.
Okay, so today we are going to start with a module which is again SEO module, but we would be doing the other part we have done on page SEO. Today we will see off page SEO. So, what is off page SEO? So, off page SEO is everything that we work for our website offline, off page, that is not on our website. Example, like we are done in on page SEO, we are done all the titles, then keyword research, then paragraphs, adding headlines, then doing adding all the keywords throughout the content. So like this we have done all the we have followed all the parameters of SEO in on page SEO. Now in off page SEO we are not going to touch our website. In off page SEO we are going to convert, uh, basically promote our website. So we have done SEO, and now we will be doing off page SEO where we will be promoting our website everywhere. Everywhere in the sense like say press release, then directories, all these places, then classified social media networks, all these places we will be promoting our website. So that is what is off page SEO. So one sec. Mm, okay. Yeah. What is- okay, okay. Yeah. So now, in off-page SEO, like I said, that we would be promoting our website everywhere, like in press release, directories, then classified websites, social media networks. You can promote it on Facebook. You can create a video and upload it on YouTube channel. Everywhere you can promote and promote your website. So now, what is the procedure of promoting a website? So I mean, wherever you want to promote your website. So say. I will just search on Google off page SEO, say like mm, mm, see over here, you can see post. I had just typed post on high rank, and then everything came up. Say like social bookmarking websites, then directory submission, social bookmarking sites, 2019, then classified websites, business listing websites, directory submissions, website list, profile creation websites, blog submission websites. These all are off-page promotion. So I mean, I will just create a small content from my website, and I would be promoting that content everywhere on all the websites where I can promote throughout the internet with the links of my website, so that when people will see those ads, people will click on those links and then come to our website. So this off-page SEO is also called as link building. So and that link building is also called as backlinks. So we will be creating backlinks for our website on various thousands of different websites. And why do we call it backlinks? Because when people will click on those links and come back to our website, so for that reason it is called as backlinks. So now, say over here, I have the search for say high page rank, social bookmarking sites, directory submission websites. Now, what do I mean by high page rank? I can post my content on any website, but why do I need to post my content on high page rank website? See, high page rank is something. Say this page rank is technology is developed by Larry Page, who was co-founder of Google, and he invented this page rank technology wherein every page will have a rank, say from 1 to 10. So higher the rank of the page, then better the traffic and better the SEO and how better the listing of that particular page in Google search engine results page. That is on Google. Whenever you search for anything on Google, and here if the page is having very good rank, then it will come up to towards the first position on Google's page. So that is what we are talking about, page rank. So every page has a good page rank. If you have a good page rank, then it has a better ranking in search engine. So for that reason, we will only search for high page rank. And if I do not search for high page rank, and if I just submit on any of the websites, then in that case, sometimes what happens that some of the websites are marked as spam by Google. So if those websites are spam and if I am posting my content on those websites, then Google will mark my website also as spam and I will get a negative ranking. So like we have positive ranking from 1 to 10, so we also have negative ranking for spam websites. So our website will also get spam ranking. So and our website would never come up in search engines. So for that reason, we should always make sure that the website is legitimate website. It's a good website. It has good traffic. Everything is good, and it has a better page rank from Google. So that is what we need to search. So over here we have various options in like social bookmarking website. So if I search for social bookmarking website, so there are various websites. See, like Pinterest is there, Tumblr is there, Reddit is there, and still there are many more. So I mean over here you can just open them in a new page and you can just check everything over here. There are list of websites. Okay, fine, it is coming up. Okay, social bookmarking sites. So here we have all the list. So here you can see twitter.com over here. This is DA. So this is domain authority and this is page authority. So this is having a very good page authority, that is 100. So this, if you post your content on Twitter, then it is very good. Then Facebook is there. Facebook is also having 100, and it is Alexa rank is 4. Over here Alexa rank is 36. So here these all things we need to check. So basically DA is okay. We need to check the PA. So that is page authority, that is page rank. So this all things we'll be checking. Say on Google, say we can promote on Pinterest, we can promote on Tumblr, we can promote. Reddit is there, Dig is there. So like this, there are various websites. This is the whole list of websites. So now what I can do is I can just take some of the content from my website. Say like okay, I can just copy some of the content. Okay, I'll take some content. One sec. Okay, this is diploma in, okay, this is the thing. Okay, fine. Um, okay, it's not over here. Okay, I just need to check the content. So yes, for ad purpose, this is keywords. Okay, yes, this is the content. So okay, this is the my promotional content. So I can just take some of the content from here. So okay, this is my title. So okay, this is, I'll just take it. I'll create it in a new notepad. So this is my content. Okay, then okay. Okay, and then yes, and then what I can do is I can just take some content in the footer. So footer I need to use. So footer is basically all the links that I have. So that is my website links and all my social media links I can use. So I can just copy this. So like this, first of all, I'll prepare my content, that what is that I want to promote on my website, or else this all things I can do it later on also. But this is the main thing that I'm promoting my website with. So over here, this can be actual the URL of my website, the page for which I am promoting this. So maybe I might promote the home page. So I want to promote my website. So this is what I'll be doing, or any page. So over here I can provide any URL over here. So I can write is it okay? So this is the content. So this is what I'll be promoting, and over here what I'm promoting is Masters in Digital Marketing program. So this is what I'm promoting. This is the course name that I'm promoting. So now what I'll do over here, say I can go to this particular website. Over here I can go on Twitter, I can go on Facebook, I can promote it everywhere. So over here I can go on Twitter. So I'll copy and I'll post this content over here, or say maybe what I can do is, say right now my website is not ready. So in that case, just let me check another website where I can promote. Say this website in Budget Store. Okay, or else yeah, I have one more. Yeah, yes. So suppose this is my website and I want to promote my blogs over here. So what I will do is I will copy this URL over here, and I will paste it over here. So okay, this is my website. Okay, and over here I might be providing some say content. So I want more people to read my blogs and everything. So I'll copy the title like this, and I'll write it over here. So I'll start afresh. Okay, and then I might write some content. Uh, so basically, whatever you want to promote, you have to make a content out of it, and then you will provide the URL over here like this. So it's basically promoting any of the content of my website. So if I'm promoting a program, then I'm promoting a course, then I'll write something about the course, and then I'll provide the URL. That okay, fine. Over here, this is okay, helpopedia.com. So this is the URL. Okay, and if I'm promoting any blog, then I can use this. So if I'm writing a blog website, then I can promote this. If I'm promoting a course, then I can use this. So now how do I use this? So I will go to any of this website. So say over here tumblr.com is there. So I'll go to Tumblr. So I copy in any of these. So Tumblr, I go here, and I need to sign up, and after signing up I can log in. So I log in because I already have an account. So email address I'll add. Okay, so now I am logged in, and now I can promote some text over here. So what I can do is over here, if I want to add a text, I want to add a photograph, I want to add a quote or link, anything, so I can do that. So link is the best option if you have a website. So I can just click on the link, and I can just paste the link. So I can type like something wrong. Okay, I'll just copy this URL and I'll paste it. Say suppose I would just want to promote this URL, so I'll paste this, and over here automatically it will take up everything, and over here I can add the description. So in description I will copy this description, and I can just add it over here. And along with this my URL where this I can just write over here to read full article, visit this particular blog. So then people will come over here and then they will read the blog over here. So then they can get it. Okay. So now along with that, what I can do is say I can also promote my other URLs also. So I can just say that connect with me with this over here. I can copy all these things, and I can add it over here also, so that people can also connect me on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, everywhere. So like this, I will promote my content, and over here I can just provide some important tags. So tags can be like hash. So this is what important keywords which we were doing the keyword research in the content. So from here you should take all the content that okay, from your page whatever you have selected as your keywords, and if you are promoting that particular blog, then whatever keywords you have selected, those keywords you will be using over here. So here I can just use apps, mm, apps, mobile, then Google Play, or maybe Instagram, Tumblr, these all things, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Okay, so hash Insta, Instagram. Okay, then hash Facebook, hash Twitter, then hash YouTube. Like this, I can add various keywords, and then I can click on post. So now this is what I will be doing. This what process which I have done over here is called as off page SEO. That is doing off page SEO, promoting the content of my website or any particular blog or website or YouTube channel that I want. I can promote it. See over here I promoted, added this content. Now what I can do, and it is, see, it is coming up on the first page of Tumblr. So now what I can do is say now I will use another link, and now I will instead of I don't want to promote any blog or website. Now I want to promote my YouTube channel. So what I can do is I can just copy any videos URL which I want to promote. So say this is my channel, YouTube channel, and over here I want to promote various other courses. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll promote mm, this particular course. So I'll copy this URL, and I'll post it over here. I paste the URL. See, automatically it will come up. And over here I can write a description summary. So summary I can write this is uh, say fast and effective post. Okay. So this is what I can use, summary, and over here description. So in this also you can see this is I've done off page SEO over here also. So over here I have written all the content, and at the end I've added all the links. So this is off page SEO for my website on YouTube. So here also I can use this. So this is introduction. Okay, so like this I can just promote, I can just write everything over here. Yeah, and then I can paste it over here, and then I can say right, put all the tags also. So tags I can put like e-commerce, then hash technology, then hash effective e-commerce. Okay, fast and effective. Okay, this health wellness. Okay, so health wellness, then hash YouTube, hash video, then hash mm, achievements. So like this I can add all these things, and now I can enter a title over here. So this is the title I can use. Okay, okay, so this is my content, and now I can post it. So now you can see this another link has come up over here. Now it is coming up, fast and effective e-commerce. So this is what I can use, and I can use this as a another way also. Like I'll click on video, and under video I will copy this URL and upload a video or add video from the web. So I'll click say add video, so I can paste the URL. So this is the URL which I have pasted. Now you can see my video has come up over here. Now I can add some content over here. So now that content I can again take it from here. So over here I won't write much, I will just copy this much and something about over here. And okay, fine, this much I will write the content, and then I can just put all the URLs. So these are the URLs that I can use. So what I'll do is I'll just copy it from the footer. Mm, okay, so this is what I can do, and then over here I can use the tags. So like hash e-commerce, hash technology, hash health, hash wellness, then hash apps. So like this I can use all the tags. Now my video is coming up, and now I can post it. So this is what I have posted. So whatever we have done till now, that is off page SEO. So like this you have to do it everywhere. So over here I have posted my video also, I have posted blogs also. So like this I can go to my page, and I can post it everything over here. So here I can just click on this, and I can just say I can just go to my dashboard, and I can see. I'll click on home. So whatever I have posted would come up over here. See, so many people have posted. See, now my content has come down because other people have posted up. So whatever content you post, at least for some time, that content will come up on the top till the time other people will post it on the top. So this is how we post it over here. So this was Tumblr. So like this, there is another website. Say we have. Mm, I mean, Pinterest is also there, but Mix is there. Mix.com. So in mix.com also say I can write, okay, see this is my this off page SEO. This is another on mix.com. So I'm promoting my website. See all the blogs which were there on my website I've taken from here. So all my blogs are posted over here. So like this, when people will see, people can check everything. So over here these all things, and when people will click on this will go to my website. But right now the website, I'm revamping the website. It is under construction, so it will this link will not work right now. So but this is how we work. This is how we add all the content. So I will just show you. So in all the website, you just need to join or sign up or register, whatever. It's free of cost. So so I'm already signed in, so I can just log in with my Gmail account. So here I'm logged in. So now I need to add some content. So what I will do is I will click on this plus button, and I will say add a post to mix. So I will add this post. So I'll copy this URL. So okay, and then over here I need to paste my link. So I'm pasting my link, and see over here automatically everything is coming up, right? So I'll just scroll down and see if there is anything that I can add. Okay, so here I don't see anything which I can add, so I'll just click on mix. So now automatically it will do. So add it to your profile. So this will, so now I can just select what is the category. So this will come into digital marketing, and then I can just say done. So automatically it will come up. See over here it has come up. This is just now it has come up. So right like this I can just promote my content. So now when people will click over here, they can see my content. So directly it has gone to my this video. So if I click over here, it will take me to this page, and over here I can add all the content. And so whatever I have added, it will automatically take. So I don't need to type anything. If I want to go to website, I can directly go to the website over here. So like this, so it will go to YouTube basically. So that is what it is. So this is how I need to post on various websites. So these are all blog posting websites. So blog posting and content posting websites, so which we have seen over here. See, like these all Tumblr and Reddit. So these are all websites. So we had seen all social bookmarking and social networking websites. So these social bookmarking websites are all basically websites like social networking websites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr, Reddit. So these all websites, the list which is coming up over here, which we are, so you can post on all these websites. So on all these websites you just need to promote your website everywhere. You just need to register once, and then you can post it. But now say after posting 50 60 content, and tomorrow if you are posting a new blog on your website, then again you have to, again you want to promote that new content on all these pages, then maybe you might forget on which all websites did you register, what is your username, password. So for that reason what we do is we maintain an Excel sheet. So this is the report file that we maintain. I just explain what this report file is, and how does it work. This is specially I've created for off-page SEO, so that you will remember everything. Wherein we add the website's URL, then we add the username, password, we add the email address, that all things we add. See over here, you can say that okay, on this is today's date I can add. Then which website did you post? So I'll write that okay, fine, I posted on mix.com. And then over here what is the username and password. So username and password is the which you have used to register your account. So that could be your Gmail account, and the password that you have used. Then the final URL. So final URL is something which you, where you can see your blog which you have posted. So like say mix.com/hitesh. So I'll go here. So this is my URL. So I'll just copy this URL where I can see all my blog, and then I will paste that URL over here. So this is my final URL. So I'll paste this over here. So this has come up over here. So this is I have logged in my username and password. I don't require my username and password because I can just mention that okay, this is I've logged in with Gmail, so I can put my email address with which is my username. So at gmail.com, and then you can use the password. So password is your Gmail, whatever password you have used. So your password, so you can remember next time when you come on this website. So on which website? So that is mix.com. On this website you have registered, and today's date you can mention over here, that is 13/07/2020. So this is date. So like this you can maintain. So if you have, say today you are doing say 5 or 10, but maybe after say 1 month, 2 months, or 6 months, or 8 months, say you might be you will reach a time where you might be doing thousands of this content. So at that point of time, if you do not if you do not have all these things handy, then in that case it would be a trouble for you. So you will not remember on which websites I registered. So this is something best, and this you can do, you can keep it with yourself, because tomorrow if someone says that I want to promote my website, then you can just go to this all these websites, log into all these websites, and just promote other people's blog or whatever they want to promote. You can just take up off page SEO job, and you say that okay fine, we will promote your website throughout the globe. Then in that case you can do all these things, and then you can promote the content.
But
Yeah, tell me.
for all that you need followers and all, na?
No, you don't require anything. Why do you require followers? Where is followers?
Like, yeah, but so you don't need followers. I thought
Where do you require followers?
like Tumblr,
No,
for
see,
example,
see
Tumblr,
Tumblr.
you
No, no, see Tumblr. If you see, if any which ways it is coming on the first page of Tumblr, then this is just one website. See, Tumblr is there. Then say Mix is there, Reddit is there, Delicious is there. There are hundreds and thousands of websites. So it is this is just an example where you can post. So you can post it on Facebook, you can post it on Twitter, you can post it on YouTube, everywhere. But see, our main intention is not followers. See, our main intention is getting this content on the Google's first page, so that people will click on that, and they will come to our website. So say I'll just show you an example. Say if I go to google.com over here, and I type my keyword, see Helpopedia. Then sorry, okay, Helpopedia. I'm typing Helpopedia. So you can see everything over here. My content is coming up on the top. See over here on the right hand side, you can see my content on the top. Over here on the right hand side, you can see my website URL is on the top. This is another, all the places where I have done off page SEO. See, all these things are coming up on the first page. See everywhere. Facebook, this is website.milonic.com, this is playstore.google.com, then again this is Play Store, then this is YouTube, then again this is YouTube. See, the same video which we were promoting right now, this was already there. See, it is coming up on the first page of YouTube. See over here, then sulekha.com over here, my website is coming up. So if we, what is the reason for doing this off page promotion? The off page promotion, because when people will search with our keywords over here, or any keyword which is related to our blog, then our listing should come up over here, so that people will click on our website, and then people will come to our website. People will click on our link and come to our website. That is the main reason. See, on we learned in on-page SEO, we did a lot of things, all the research and development on on-page SEO. But when we do on-page SEO, it is not guaranteed that your website will come up on first page of Google. But if you do off-page SEO, then it is guaranteed that if you do a lot of off-page SEO, then there are very much better chances that your website will come up on first page. You can see all the results. Each and every result on this page are my results, because all these with this keyword, these all websites are there. So you can just imagine, if you are using the right keywords in your blogs or the content where you are promoting, and then you are doing off page SEO, then your website will definitely come up on the first page of Google. That is our main intention. See, over here we are not talking about followers. If you have good followers, then it is a better chance that your followers will see the blog that you have posted over here. Say on this page, whatever blogs I have posted, people will see. My followers will see. But it is not necessary that if I do not have any followers, then in that case people will not see. See, if even if I'm posting, the whole audience of Mix.com is seeing my blog and my video, because it is already coming up on the first page. That is the reason I'm saying that off-page SEO is one of the best thing. See, this is one of the example that I have done. So maybe I can create a video and I can promote it over here. So like say over here, I am promoting this particular course. Say this course, I have created a video of this course. I have uploaded on YouTube, and then I have written some content over here, and then I have posted my links over here. If you do not post your links, then it is not called as off-page SEO. You have to promote your links, because if you do not provide your links on over here, or you do not provide your links on Mix.com, then how will people come to know that who is the who is the author, or how will people come to your website? So that is the reason we need to provide our links, on everywhere, the content that we are promoting on each and every website. Then and only then it is called as off-page SEO, and then only we can build more backlinks. See, more backlinks. Why do we require backlinks? Because see, whenever the Google bots who is coming up for searching the content all over the internet, they will come across our this off-page SEO, that is Mix.com or YouTube.com, where we have posted a new content today. So I have posted two content over here. So I have posted two blogs and one video on Mix.com, right? So now Google will say that okay, fine, this content is added today. So this content, this URL is new. So this URL has to be taken and added in our database. So this URL, when people will search that whatever better keywords which are matching this content, it will automatically be searched in Google, and our website URL will come up over there. So then people will click, and our results are coming up in Google, and then people will come to our blog, and then from there they will find out our website. So there everywhere we have mentioned this, our website. So website is mentioned, Facebook is mentioned, Twitter is mentioned, Instagram. So like this everything is mentioned. So if people will come to our URL and find all these things content, then people can go to our website also. If they are interested in Facebook, then people will go to Facebook. Those people who are interested only in Instagram, they can connect with us with Instagram. So like this. So basically, see, in very simple words, I will just tell you one thing, that if I am running an institute, and I want people to know about my institute, then what will I do? In olden days, what did people do? They gave advertisement in newspaper, right? That is the same thing which we are doing today. It is we are doing digital marketing. So in digital marketing also we are promoting our business. So say if I'm promoting my business, it is not necessary that if I have a business, I will be promoting my business. But say I don't have a business, I just have a website where I am writing blogs. So in that case, I will just promote my website. So you just take that, okay, fine, your website is your business, and you are promoting. So instead of newspaper and magazines, you will be promoting on various websites whenever you get chance. So see, on OLX you can post your content, on Quicker you can post your content. So like that, there are thousands of classified websites where you can post your content, and people are reading those content every day, and people will inquire also. If you have added a link, then people will click on those links and come to your website. So this is what we want to do. Say off-page SEO is just promoting the piece of content everywhere. So for homework, what I will give you is I will give you a small piece of content. Say this content is okay, and this website URL is okay, and you can just say this is okay, and I'll do one thing. I'll prepare the content and I'll send it to you, which you can promote everywhere. So and you maintain this so that you will get to know. And over here you can provide the email address which you have used for logging in over here, and content. So you don't require to provide me the username and password which you where you have added. So that is fine. I just need the URL where from where I can see the content that you have promoted. I just want to see the website and the content. So content is you can just write the given content. Say like you will just write the given content, content A. So content A or
And can you send the link of
I will
social media bookmarks?
that all you have to do research on Google and you have to find out. See, I told you how to find it out. Over here, you just have to on Google. You just have to search for, even if you just search for say high page rank. You just have to search for high page rank, and then you will get all social bookmarking websites, classified websites, directory websites, then social bookmarking websites, then directory submission websites. So these all websites you will find. You just click on any of one, and you will get the list of all the websites. See over here, you can see there are how many of them. Over here it's not written how many lists are there. Okay, fine. So here you can open the link, and over here you can see 65 high PR page rank. So 65 high PR means 65 links, high page rank links. So that is website 65 high page rank websites. Then over here 375 high domain authority social bookmarking list. So again you can open this. So here you are already getting a lot of list. See, so many websites are there. So here you are having 75. Then yeah, 75 on this particular first one, and in this second one you are getting a list of 65. You can just scroll down. Okay, I'll just these all things you just need to close. No thanks. Close, and scroll down, and you will find the links. So here these all links are there. So it is not necessary that if you, in the first link you might have received this, so you can just see that okay fine, if you have already taken this, then you will paste everything in notepad, and then you will search that okay fine, if these all are there or not. So then it's okay. So like this, over here you are having 65, then over here you are having 375. So see over here, these all links, social bookmarking websites. See, these all links are there. So over here, these again, all these links are there. See, so I mean, you on Google, you just need to search for high page rank. So once you search for high page rank, then you will get a lot of information where you can post your content. See, high page rank social bookmarking website. Then we can see classified sites. See, classified sites are there. See, bangalore.craigslist.com. Then Craigslist.com is one of the very good website. Then ad post. Then like this, there are list of classified submission websites. See, 1200 plus classified submission websites. So over here you can post your content. See, this all is there. See, so many list is there over here. These all links are there. So like this, you can see this is there are 27 pages. This is just first page. On first page it is showing 40. Then you click on next. You will see another 40. See over here 41 to 80, 88. Then again you go to the next. See, then you will again find another few links. So like this you keep on clicking next, so you can directly go. So you just open this particular website in new tab, and or else you can just copy all these things, or you can just bookmark this website. So I can just say create a folder. See over here I have all the folders which I have created on my system. So I can just bookmark this website, and I'll say that okay fine, this is, or this will come up in classified website. So this is all list of classified website. So like this I can use this. I can create bookmarks on my browser. So every time I can just select that okay fine, these are all my bookmarks, and I will, so I this is all, this folder is of classified website, this folder is of blog posting website. Or then there might be another folder which could be for directory submissions, then YouTube submissions. So like that you will find various websites. So what I will be providing you is, say since you do not have the content, what I will do is I will provide you with the content A and content B. So I will provide you 2 3 content. Say this is first content over here, and this is second content. So what I will do is I will upload the content in Workplace, from where you can download. I will add one text file. In that I will add everything. So I will draft a proper content, and I will send it to you. So this I will just mention that okay fine, this is first content, and in between I will just put this. So you will get to know that okay, on the top this is first one, this one is this is first content A, this is content B. So like this, and then all the links, and then again I will add this, and then again if there is anything. So maximum I will provide only one or two. So even if I provide you one, then it is okay. I will provide you one content which you can promote it everywhere. So I will provide you with the one of the course which I will ask you where you can promote everywhere. So you can do this, and this is very easy, and this can be done. So it's just basically you just need to go to all the websites, register on all those websites, and you can add all the content. So that is what you can do. And say what I would suggest is that you create a new Gmail account, or you create a new, instead of Gmail account, you create a Yahoo account, or say any other account which does not require security, because say Gmail account and live account will require security, like adding phone numbers. So I mean it's okay, because we both can share the same email address, and we can if there is anything I can log in with the username and password. So you don't require to use your username, because everywhere you will be using a new Gmail account, so or any email account. So I will suggest you just create one account on yahoo.com. Yahoo.com is will not have that much issues, or that is what I think we can do. That is the best option. So you just enter the username of the website where with which you can log in. So say suppose you are going to mix.com. So mix.com you will require a username and a password. So we both will share this username and password, so I can log into it and check that okay whether it is okay or not, and if it is not okay I can just correct it, or you can correct it. I can tell you that okay, this over here there is some mistake. I actually there won't be any mistake, because this is quite easy. Like I showed you, that is only the thing. Somewhere it might, in classified websites it might ask you for title and description and the link. So I will provide you in that particular way. So the same content I will provide you in a different way. So some of them might, because in classified, say this might be a content, this might be a title, this might be description, and this can be the URL. So in that case, you can add this. So somewhere you will require to add differently, and some place you can just copy everything and post it. Say like in blogs, you can directly post everything, and you just need a title. So title I will provide you that okay fine, this is title. So this is how you can do off-page SEO. So off-page SEO, you don't get confused. It is just promoting your content or website or any piece of content, that is any text material which you want to go viral. you want people to know about that thing, so you will promote it. And with digital marketing, where will you promote it? You will promote it on blogs, you can promote it on your social media websites, then you can promote it on Facebook. So if you are promoting on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube, you don't require I will not require the username and password of those links, because you will be posting on your Facebook or your Twitter, wherever you want to post. So that is fine, that is not a problem, but you just mention all these things. And over here you can just if you are using our common email address, then you will use the email address over here. And somewhere in username, they might only ask a username. Sometimes in username they might even ask for email address. So you can provide a username over here. So maybe I might write that, okay, Infopedia is my username, and say abc at rate 123 is my password. But while registration, they might have also asked for some email address. So in that case, okay, fine, I can write that, okay, fine, Helpopedia at yahoo.com. And over here you can say that you have promoted content A. So if this is content A, then you will say that, okay, fine, this is content A. And over here, in some of the websites, directory posting or classifieds, they might say that we will review your posting, and it will be reviewed in 24 hours. So you can say that in review 24 hours, so that we will know that, okay, fine, today is 13th, you have posted on 13th, so this content will be reviewed in 24 hours. So on 14th of July, that is tomorrow, we can again go and check that, okay, fine, whether this is done or not. So if it is done, then you can say that, okay, then you can change the comment to posted. And wherever it is posted and it is confirmed, then you can write, okay, posted. Then over here you can write what is the type. So whether you have posted the content A in a blog website, or you have posted in articles, or whether it is a classified, or it is a social media. So social media could be like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or YouTube, or anything like that. That also. And then this Pinterest, Mix.com, this all comes into social media. Then directory submission or press release or any other social bookmark that you have used. So over here type you can write. And status, once it is confirmed, so here you can say that, okay, confirmed. So or status, you can leave it blank, that is not a problem. Or you can just write confirm. So I will fill a first line, I will fill it and give it to you, so that for example, I'll just give it to you, that so that you will get to know that, okay, what are the things that you have to write. So like that you can use, so you will get to know. So as such, everything is very much understandable in this report, so that is not a problem. So this I will upload it. So right now I'll just okay, what I'll do is I'll cut and I'll paste it over here. And this is content A, comment blog confirmed. So this all types, these all types, it is not necessary that, so I can just what I can do is, and this is I'll just paste it over here at the bottom, and from here you can just select whatever it is. If it is a blog, then you say that it is a blog. If it is a social media website, then it's okay. If it is a social bookmarking, so I will just remove this, so you will not get confused between social media and social bookmarking. Both are almost one and the same. So you can use this blog, article, classified, social media, directory submission, press release. So directory submission is something like say Just Dial is there, then India Mart is there, then Yellow Pages is there. These all are called as directories. So over there also you can register your website, and you can this whatever content I'll be giving you, that all things you can use So if anything is there, then you can leave that and you can continue with the others wherever. So most of the time, most of the places, I want you to post only on this social bookmarking websites wherever you find this high page rank social bookmarking websites. So these all social bookmarking websites. So you will search for social bookmarking websites, and then you will find the list of all these things. Then you can promote it over there. So this week you will be promoting only on social bookmarking websites, mm, so that you will have enough practice of doing it. So if you know how to post it on one type of website, then it would be very easy for you. So next time if I tell you that this week you will be posting content on classified website, so I will show you that okay fine, this is classified website, you can just go on this website and register, say like OLX and Quicker. We don't need to uh, know that okay what is OLX and Quicker. Everybody knows what is OLX and Quicker. So like that, if you search on Google that list post on high page rank classified websites, so you will get a lot, 1200 thousands of websites which are available. So last time we just saw 1200 websites list on one of the website on the blog. So you can just keep that as a reference, and you can paste it so that you will get to know that okay fine, this is where I've already posted, this is all pending. So this is what you will do. So I will prepare content and I will upload it over here in Workplace, and from there you can just download the link, and you can start you can download that text file, and then you can promote it. You can start the promotion, and you will just search for high page rank blog social bookmarking website. That's what you will be doing this week. Social bookmarking websites, that's it.
And what is Alexa rank?
Alexa Rank is one of the websites which provides ranking. Say like Google Page Rank. Alexa is also one of the website which will provide all the information and ranking about Google. That okay, where does this website rank? So all the websites has a ranking. Say like Google might have first rank, then Microsoft might have second rank, then YouTube might have third rank. Like that, all the website, millions and billions of websites are there. So all the websites will have some ranking. So that is Alexa ranking. So Alexa is a different ranking company like Google. So Google also will provide ranking, so that is called as Google Page Rank, and over here this is Alexa ranking. So it's both similar kind of website. So it's like that. So you have any questions, you can let me know.
No, so the this was off-page SEO and on-page SEO was only about that post and
Yeah,
blog, like
post blogs. See,
keyword.
on page SEO, you are working only on your website. See over here, we are not touching your website. That is off page SEO everywhere. See, once your website is ready, then you will require to promote it everywhere. So that promotion is called as off page SEO. So one is on page SEO. On page SEO is on your website, and off page SEO is at all other on all other websites, not on your website but on all other websites, so that people will get to know and come to your website. So that is promotion of your website. That is off page SEO.
Okay, yeah, no, that's it.
So that is what off page SEO is. And
Hmm.
I will also send you this yeah, PPT file which I had shown you in the first lecture about search engine optimization, which has all the notes. So you can refer to all those notes, and you can even study which has all the information about on-page SEO and off-page SEO. Some examples are also given, some directory examples are also given. Everything is given over there. So what is good, what are the things that you should do, what are the things that you should not do, Everything is given in that PPT, everything in detail, so you can keep it as notes.
Thank
Okay.
you.
So, or else I'll just send you a document which you can read. So even that is fine. So I'll send you that also. So that might take some time because once you complete the course, I'll be giving you all the material, study material. So you won't have any problem. So once this SEO is completed, so next week we'll start something new. At that point of time, when we start something new, at that time I will give you the first modules notes. So you can just refer to them.
Okay, so SEO was only on page and off
Yes.
page and nothing
Yeah.
else.
SEO is on page and off page SEO. There are only two types of SEO. SEO, see,
Oh,
SEO is a very on-page SEO is very big, like doing keyword research and using keyword planner, and I mean there are lots of things you do. You search for, you do competitors research, say what other people are using. You will just search on Google. See over here, say if I'm searching for this high page rank, or say I'm searching for any other content, then over here you can see that okay, what is this they have used in title. See in title they have used 30 free directory submission sites, and what is the meta description that they have used. Okay, this is what they have used, this website has used this. So by using this title and by using this title and this particular description, they have come up on the first page. So if I have to use similar kind of content, then what should I use so that even my content will come up on first page? So that all research in comes up in on-page SEO, and off-page SEO is very easy, and it is just promoting our content everywhere. Wherever you find, you can post your content. That is what is off-page SEO. So off-page SEO is something wherein you can promote the link of your website in WhatsApp also. So you can send it to your friends also. So that is again not a problem. So that all things is off-page SEO. So that and the best part is the easiest one is off-page SEO, and it is one of the most important module in digital marketing, because if you do this continuously, maybe 6 months or 1 year or 2 years, you keep on doing it, your website will be everywhere and it will become viral after say 1.5 to 2 years, because everywhere you will see your website. Whenever people will search for anything, they will see your website. But yes, dedicatedly you need to work for at least 2 hours daily on off-page SEO for your piece of promoting the piece of content, or your website or your blog or your YouTube channel. So if you are promoting your YouTube channel, then you will promote it daily and you will maintain the list of everything, whatever promotion you are doing, all the promotions on this particular Excel sheet. So you will get to know that okay, fine, today I posted on these 10 12 websites, tomorrow I'll post on another 10 12 websites. So like this, if you do it on a daily basis, so after 6 months or 1 year, you will have thousands and thousands of websites over here. So maybe after a few months, maybe you will have another client coming to you and you say that okay, fine, we want to promote our website everywhere. Then in that case, this Excel sheet will be of very useful, because at that point of time you will not require to do any research for finding a new social bookmarking website or classified website, so that you will get to know that okay, fine, I already have so many blog websites, so many social bookmarking websites. So you over here, that is the reason we are using this type, that okay, fine, this is a blog website over here, this is social bookmarking website, this is a directory. So if someone says that I want to do only directory, so then in that case, if I have this field, then I can do filter and I will select only uh, directories. So all the directories will come up here. Then you can say that okay, fine, I have 500 directories or 1000 directories. So then it is very easy, and you will also don't require to register again on all those websites, because that all things will take a lot of time, because you have mentioned this, you have maintained this Excel sheet, you already have the website name, URL, password, and everything, username, password, email address, everything is there. So this is the main thing which you require: website, username, and password. If you have all these things with which you can log in, and you have thousands and thousands and lakhs of websites where you already have registered and posted, then you can make your content viral, or you can make your friends or your clients content go viral very easily. Maybe in a 1.5 year to 2 years, it's very easy, because you just work for 2 hours a day. If you have more time, yes, you can work for more time, and you can promote it. So this is very important. You need to maintain the report, so next time you don't need to search. See, if I have to just post on 5 websites, then it is very easy that okay, fine. I remember 5 websites and I will use the same username and password everywhere, and it's okay. But if I have thousands of websites, then it is very difficult to remember all the websites. So for that reason, we maintain this Excel sheet. So this is very easy. So next time you want to promote any other content, so you just open this Excel sheet, just copy this URL, open it in a browser, enter username and password, and that's it. I mean, you will post the content, and it will be done in 5 minutes. But if you don't maintain this Excel sheet, then every time you will go to Google, then you will search for this over here, and then you will open this website, and then you will open all the websites one by one, and then you will register on all these websites, because you have not maintained this Excel sheet, so you do not know that okay, what is the username and password. So for that reason, we are doing this. And this maintaining this Excel sheet will save 80% of your time in registration, doing research and everything for off page SEO. So I will send you this Excel file and the content that you have to promote, and you can search on all off page social bookmarking websites. That's it. Fine.
Yes, yes. Thank
Okay,
you.
fine then. So this week you will be doing all this, and you don't need to send me anything. Only after say whenever you complete, say by next Sunday evening, you will post this Excel sheet in workplace, like you have posted that document in workplace. The same way you will post over here, so that I can check your file, and I can know that okay, fine, you have worked on say 50 or 100 websites, and you have promoted the content at all these places. So that is what you can do. So I'll just upload this file right now, and you can download it, so that is not a problem. So okay, post a file.
And then on page SEO, the post one,
Yeah, that
that
content, the content to promote, I will create that content and I'll send it to you.
no, I'm talking about the on the post one.
Sorry, I didn't get you. There is a lot of disturbance.
One minute. Hello.
Yeah.
The on-page SEO where I have to post my content.
See, you will just go to Google, and you will search for high page rank, this social bookmarking website. That's it, and you will get the list. Or else I'll send you the URL also. See, this URL is having a lot of websites. So I'll just give you this URL, and in this URL you already have a lots of websites where you can post. Okay, so this Excel sheet I have sending to you, and in chat I am sending you the URL. and send you few more URLs. I think this is more than enough over here. You can see this website is having 500 websites, and this is having say one website is having more than 1300 URLs. So I mean, this is what you can just click all these links, and you can use any of this, and you can start posting. And I've already sent you the Excel sheet, and the content. Okay, content I need to give it to you. Okay, execute masters program, and I'll just give you that content also. Just give me a moment.
Yeah, it's okay. Send later also.
Okay, so the content is ready, and for more information, visit this website, Wikipedia. Okay. Mm, okay, so this is there, and no email. Okay, so this is the content. So this you can use as title, and this you can use as description, and yeah, these also up till here you can use it as description, this all, and if and you can also use this one. Okay, yeah, social connect. This all thing up till here you can use it in the body, that is in the blog or wherever you are posting the content description, that all things. And if you don't have separate title or for description, then from start to end you will paste it at one place, and that's it. So that's okay. So this is the piece of content, that is content A. Save. So on desktop. Off page SEO. Off page content, off page SEO content.
So can I promote the content where you already have?
Yes, yes,
Uh,
absolutely, everywhere, everywhere. That is not a problem. You can post it anywhere you want. So over here you can post. Yes. Okay. So now you have received everything, the website list, the content, and the text file. So you can download this text file, you can download the Excel file, and you can open those websites which I have given. So this website I have given. So here you have 1300 list. So after 40 you can just click on this next. So if you want, what you can do is, if you want to save time, what you can do is you can just copy all the website in notepad or in another excel. So I mean it would be good, so you will save time, so you don't need to again come over here again and again. And you can just save it on your desktop. You just create a folder, and in that folder you can save everything. That's it. And if you have any questions, you can anytime leave a message on WhatsApp and I'll get back to you. Fine.
Yes, yes, fine.
Okay then. So this you will practice it, and by Sunday evening or by Sunday night you can upload the file so that I will check it.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
then see you on next Wednesday. So you are available on any other days?
Yeah, yeah, I'm there.
Okay, so I'll send you the schedule because uh, two batches have completed, so I can give you some more time also. So maybe we can have 2 days a week, so we can complete it little faster. Fine.
Fine. So what
I'll
day
I'll
will it
let you know.
be?
So once I analyze everything and I'll let you know when to start and which days are available. So I'll send you options also, so you can select whichever option you want.
Okay.
Fine then.
Okay.
See you. Till then, see you on next Wednesday. Next Monday. Sorry. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Bye. Thank you.